Alright, taking the blade off. Just turn the wrench. Turn the screw out. All the way out. And then pop it. Take this flange plate out. Alright, that's the blade. Comes right off. The main thing about this, the arbor has to match the arbor here. So you have to make sure that it corresponds. There is an arrow, show you the direction. Show you the direction which the blade turns. So this saw, the blade turn this way. So you want to put the arrow facing downwards. So the blade turn anti-clockwise. Put it back on. Make sure the blade fits properly in the arbor, it's not crooked. Alright? So make sure that it fits and it's kind of turned and smooth. When you put this plate back on, it's very simple. Flange plate, and then this bolt that secure it, hold it in place. Just turn it down. Make sure the blades turn smoothly, nice, smoothly, and then you hold just before you have gloves or a piece of cloth or something, and hold it properly. And turn, and then you give it an extra snap. Then put it back up. Make sure the blade turns very freely. It's not hopping. That's about it.